Hello guys, so in this video I'll be showing you on how to do the pause pre-market teaser attacks. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, let's head on straight to pause cut. So we'll open the Tools mini Telegram app, wait for it to load. Now the next place you go to is the Earn section down here, the Earn section. Then we'll get there. Now this is the task we're asked to do. So how do we do this task? First of all, you click on Start button. Click on the Start button. Now you choose your default browser. So I'm going to go with Chrome. So once you open the tags in Chrome, there's a particular place you need to go to get the tags done. All right, while it's loading, good. Now it's loaded. So next we head to the three buttons down here, up here. You select, you click on it, and then you head down. There's dashboard, there's claim, and there's pre-market. You go to the pre-market, you click on it, and it says you must be eligible for pause drop in order to access this page. The pre-market will be available soon. Got it. Okay. All right. So now we head back to the Telegram bot. Okay. Um, Once you do this, if it's still showing start, what you just do is what you refresh the page, you load the page. So after doing that, you wait for the page to load a bit. And then you go back there to earn, and yeah, voila, your token is there. Then you claim. Alright, so that's it for the short video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content coming your way. Thanks and peace out.